Hey everyone, it's Justin from over at AssetRemix. I wanted to take a few seconds and show you how to filter your assets using multiple data points in our AssetRemix asset management system. The first step you're going to take is to click on this button right here. With this, you're going to select your first data point. I'm going to choose a location. I'm going to filter this down to an exact match. As you can see now, I have all the devices that are allocated to that one location. At this point, if you want to save a report, you are able to do so by clicking this button. I'm going to proceed on and I'm going to add a second data point, which is going to be an asset name. I'm going to use a partial match for this. I'm going to type in Acer C732 and filter it out. At this point, you can see that I have now filtered out only Acer C732s in this specific location. If you need to reset your search points, you can go in here and click either clear all filters, or you can click on the filter that you had previously reported and get that one out of there. For more tips for using AssetRemix, check out the links below.